So I'm always working on various different projects. I mean, the amount of ongoing projects I have is ridiculous. Like underneath my desk is crazy. Basically, I've got one iMac here, another one here, which I've just ordered. This is a different project, right? But in the process of doing this, I needed some parts. So the Raspberry Pi iMac conversion that you've just seen in my last video, this is the internals to that. And so obviously, like, this is, for example, the motherboard. And I've kept it, I had it for about 6 months, and I thought, you know what, let me just sell the parts, because in my previous video, I listed some of the parts from the Packard Bell 1-2, and that turned out to be super profitable. So I thought, you know what, it's got a nice hard drive, you've got a nice motherboard there, you've got a power supply there. I may as well actually just list this stuff. So as I was messing about, just as you do, and you know, I end up just being dumb, I actually, if I show you here, where's the BIOS battery? Is it on the other side? Yeah, there you go. So the battery had come out, and I don't know how it came out. I don't know if I took it out. So I was trying to stick it in and it wouldn't go in. So I was thinking, what's going on? So if you have a look, as I was trying to fit it in, I ended up snapping it off like an idiot. So now, let me show you this. So this is like a BIOS battery clip that goes in there, and stupidly I've snapped it off. And the thing is, this motherboard is actually worth 30 quid. They're selling on eBay for £30, and I just snapped the BIOS battery holder. So it hurts. It hurts. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it now. I mean, I'm still actually gonna list it on eBay, but I'll probably list it as like just a donor board. To say that the board actually does work. It was a screen issue that this iMac had. So yeah, look at that. You win some, you lose some, huh? So I was looking to list this for 30 quid. What I don't know if the CPU is any good. I'll leave the CPU on there. Where is the CPU? CPU is, so I assume that's the graphics card. CPU must be underneath there. But yeah, so, or maybe that's the CPU. I don't know. Anyways, the CPU is there basically. So I'll probably list this now for $14.99. You know, still make some money back. I actually paid £5 for the entire iMac. So I'll at least list this. So yeah, it's not all bad, but it is bad. You know, look at that. Terrible. Anyways, so as I'm sure you guys are aware, and especially if you're watching this whole entire playlist, I make a lot of mistakes. A lot. I don't know why, for some reason, I thought, for whatever reason, I was trying to put the battery in, and it wouldn't just sit on there like that. I don't know why it wouldn't sit. So I thought, okay, let me just lift this up. You know, maybe there's like a clip or something. I don't know, man. I just lose it sometimes. So I mean, that's not staying for whatever reason. And yeah, for some reason, my brain just said to me, well, just lift that up, Hamid. And yeah, completely snapped off. I mean, I did momentarily consider, let's see if I can show you. So that's the connector there, right? You can see the positive terminal. I did consider, let's pick this up. I did consider resoldering it on, but to be honest with you, one thing I do know in my studies when it comes to electrical engineering is that when you're dealing with surface mounted PCBs, these are multi-layered as well, you know, glossed over, all the rest of this stuff. So, you know, you're not really going to be able to repair it like that. Like, this is a different level to basic circuit board repair. So you're going to need to basically burn away the multiple layers and then have to reflux it afterwards, making sure you don't burn out any resistors on the other side as well. And there's a bunch of them there. So, you know, not worth it at all. Anyway, so hopefully I get 15 for that. And I'm going to carry on now with, I've got two other videos going simultaneously. One where I'm basically listing all of this stuff, and then another one where I've got this iMac which I just bought to repair this one here. So yeah, more videos coming soon. Subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.